Hi everyone, welcome to Rush Resources TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to do simultaneous equations. So we've got one here, 2x plus y equals 7 and 3x minus y equals 8. Now what you want to do here is be very strategic. We can see here, we're very lucky, we have the same number in front of the y's, which is 1. So what we can do is eliminate the y, firstly by adding the two equations. So we'll label the equations first. So we know that is equation 1 and this one's equation 2. And what we want to do is add the two equations, and you'll see why very soon. So when we add 2 plus 3, we end up with a 5x. And when we add a plus 1 and a minus 1, we end up with a 0. So we have just effectively eliminated the y's. And 7 plus 8 is 15. So we end up with x equals 15 divided by 5. So you move the 5 to the other side, and we end up with a 3. So x equals 3. So now we've found the x equals 3. What we need to do is sub this back in to one of the equations to find y. It can be either one. I'm going to choose equation 1, which is 2x plus y equals 7. And I'm going to sub in x equals 3, so we end up with a 2 times 3 plus y equals 7. And we know 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 plus y equals 7, and the answer would be y equals 7 minus 6, because we moved the 6 to the other side and we change the sign, so it becomes a minus. 7 minus 6 is 1, so y equals 1. And the answers would just be x equals 3 and y equals 1. And that's it, that's solved. Okay, here's another one. You're welcome to try it yourself first. Feel free to pause the video and then I will proceed. Okay, the way to do this is to label the equations once again. So this is equation 1, this one's equation 2. And what you want to do here is realize that we need to make one of the terms the same. I'm going to choose, in this scenario, the x. Okay, and what I'm going to do is rewrite equation 1, just here, 2x plus 3y equals 12, and equation 2, I'm going to write it, but I'm going to multiply all by 2, and you'll see why very soon. Now, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y, and 5 times 2 is 10. And now we have two equations which each have a common x term. And now we can subtract them. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1y, and 12 minus 10 is 2. And the answer is therefore y equals 2. And there we go. And to find what x is, we just sub it into one of the equations. I'm going to pick the second one because it looks a bit more simpler. So I'm going to rewrite that as x plus y equals 5. I'm going to sub in the answer to y, which is 2. So I'm going to put that in there. And we end up with x plus 2 equals 5. And to find what x is, we literally just do 5 minus 2, and the answer is 3. And there we have it. That's solved. I hope you found this video useful today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more videos.